5 superfoods to supercharge your heart health. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier heart through the power of superfoods? If you're passionate about optimizing your well-being and keeping your cholesterol in check, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into 5 incredible foods that are not only delicious, but also scientifically proven to support cardiovascular health. So grab your notepad and let's embark on this heart-healthy journey together. Did you know that your dietary choices have a profound impact on your cholesterol levels and overall heart health? High cholesterol, particularly LDL cholesterol, can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. But here's the good news. Incorporating specific superfoods into your diet can help lower LDL cholesterol, raise HDL cholesterol, the good kind, and protect your heart. Let's explore how these foods work their magic. First up, we have the mighty oats. These humble grains are a powerhouse of soluble fiber, specifically beta-glucan. Soluble fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive system, binding to cholesterol and preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. This, in turn, helps lower LDL cholesterol levels. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, topped with your favorite fruits like berries or bananas, and a sprinkle of nuts for added healthy fats and crunch. For an extra boost, consider adding flax seeds or chia seeds, which are also excellent sources of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Next on our list is the creamy, dreamy avocado. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats can help lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol, promoting a healthy cholesterol balance. Add avocados to your salads, smoothies, or even enjoy them on whole grain toast. They're also a great source of potassium, an essential mineral for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Remember, moderation is key, as avocados are calorie-dense. Coming in at number 3, we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall heart health. Berries are also a good source of fiber, which, as we discussed, helps lower cholesterol. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to your morning yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. The possibilities are endless. At number 4, we have nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and other nuts are not only tasty, but also packed with heart-healthy nutrients. They're a good source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol. Nuts also contain fiber, vitamin E, and magnesium, all of which contribute to cardiovascular health. Enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack, add them to your salads, or use them as a topping for your oatmeal or yogurt. Be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts are calorie-dense. Last but certainly not least, we have fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of blood clots. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Bake, grill, or steam them for a healthy and delicious meal. If you're not a fan of fish, consider taking an omega-3 supplement after consulting with your healthcare provider. While these superfoods are excellent additions to your diet, it's important to remember that a holistic approach to heart health is key. This includes maintaining a healthy weight, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress, and avoiding smoking. By combining these lifestyle factors with a diet rich in heart-healthy superfoods, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and enjoy a long and healthy life. Ready to take charge of your heart health? Start by incorporating these 5 superfoods into your daily diet. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about the power of food for heart health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health tips and delicious recipes. And most importantly, consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to create a personalized plan that meets your individual needs. Your heart will thank you.